Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 7 exercises to force arm growth. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Having a large arm is one of the purposes that drives many men to go to the gym. Of course, this is not what we are saying. Research shows that having a six-pack, big chest muscles, as well as big and toned arms, are some of the things that all bodybuilders are looking for. Of course, everyone has an opinion, but most people love to have big biceps. And because of this, in today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 7 exercises and some tips to help you have bigger arms. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. What is the best exercise to have bigger arms? To grow arm muscles, you need to do a series of arm exercises. Because every movement will put pressure on a specific part of the arm muscles. In today's video, we will cover exercises that affect every muscle of your arms. The importance of diet for bicep growth. If you are looking for bulky arms, you should know that in addition to exercise, sleep, and nutrition, you should take the supplements seriously. If your diet is not proper, muscle growth will stop or slow down a lot. That's why you should eat a proper amount of carbohydrates and proteins. But not simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are the best choice for athletes because of the high amount of glucose that is available in simple carbohydrates. Role of protein in muscle growth. Many sports nutritionists said that protein strengthens muscles and improves muscle strength training. The reason is that when you are working on a muscle more than its power to challenge it, some tissues in your muscles have been destroyed, and what the muscles need to recover these tissues is protein. If you don't give the proper amount of protein to your body, the recovery process will be too slow and your muscle will damage instead of growing and strengthening. Therefore, protein helps your muscles grow and helps speed recovery so you can work out hard again. Consumption of complex carbohydrates. Bodybuilding experts believe that to grow muscle, you need to go for complex carbohydrates such as wholemeal bread, oatmeal, and other cereals. These experts also believe that you should avoid sugar, soft drinks, and other simple carbohydrates. And they emphasize that you should provide half of your daily calories through complex carbohydrates. Many people think that the more dumbbells they put in front of their arms, the more their muscles grow. But this is not true for professional athletes. Especially beginners will not benefit from this large number. There are some other tips to grow muscles and especially biceps and other arm muscles. Isolated exercises. If you are a beginner bodybuilder, go to squats and deadlifts instead of isolating yourself like in the biceps and other arm muscles. You need a lot of muscle to start with, not just a big arm. Heavy exercise. The arm muscles are very small compared to other important muscles in the body, so too much attention and too much exercise will not affect its growth. There is no need to push yourself and your muscles more than what you can. You just need to challenge yourself. Muscles grow at rest. Every muscle needs rest. Your muscles don't grow when you are working in the gym. They grow when you rest. Lack of attention to other muscles. Lack of fitness makes your body look funny. So practice according to the importance and size of your muscles. These exercises will help every part of your arm muscles to grow. Number 7. V-shape exercise. This movement is a very useful exercise to balance the arm and shoulder muscles. To do this move, hold the dumbbells next to the thighs. Then move the dumbbells forward. Place your hands in front of your body so that they form a pattern similar to the letter V. Now lower the dumbbells. Keep in mind that the arms should not bend during this exercise. Number 6. Push-up. Push-up focuses on the arm muscles, and it can help shape your arms. To do this move, lie on your stomach. Place the palms of your hands on your shoulders and the floor. Bend your legs at a 90-degree angle and bring your knees together. Now bend your arms at the elbows and bring your body up and down so that your chest is in contact with the ground. Finally, return to the original position and repeat the movement. Number 5. Butterfly. Doing this move is very simple, but it is very effective and requires a lot of energy. Butterfly exercise, in addition to the impact on the arm muscles, affects your chest and your back. Butterfly exercise also helps your heart to function better. To do this move, stand up and raise your hands together each time. The hand should be at the bottom and in line with the body. Do this for 4 sets and 12 times in every set. Number 4. Arm rotation. You can do this very simple exercise with or without dumbbells. To do this, keep your hands at a 90-degree angle to your body. Stand and spread your legs shoulder width apart. Now punch the handles and turn the shoulder 10 times backward and then 10 times forwards. Focus on the arm muscles and tighten them while doing the movements. Number 3. Static triceps dip. This workout will work on the behind of the arm or triceps, is also one of the most effective movements in shaping the biceps of the arms and strengthening their muscles. To do this movement, place your arms flat next to your body. Raise your hips above the ground and slowly lift them. Now bend the elbow of your right hand. Bring your hips as close to the ground as you can. Now straighten your right arm and do the same for the left arm. Do this movement for 12 times in 3 sets. Number 2. Shoulder press. This athletic movement makes the arms stronger and shapes them to do this group muscle exercise better than ever. Spread your legs shoulder width apart and hold the dumbbells, 1 dumbbell in each hand. Bend your knees slightly and keep the dumbbells along your shoulders. Now return to the first position and repeat the same movement. Number 1. Press up. The wall press up is one of the most suitable exercises for shaping the arms. In addition to the arms, this movement on the chest muscles affects the deltoid, the armpit, and the middle of the body. Open the palms shoulder width apart and place them on the wall. The hands should be in line with the chest. Bend your elbows and bring your chest close to the wall. Breathe at this point. Get half a meter away from the wall. Now exhale and return to the first state. Having bigger arms is a purpose you can reach easily, so be patient and consistent. Surely you will see the result very soon. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.